Lil Mosey, aka the first rapper whose real name I haven't been able to find on the internet, is a 16-year-old American rapper from Seattle, Washington, a former student of Shorecrest High School signed to Interscope Records. Lil Mosey is best known for his single Pull Up, which was produced by Black Mayo. He said he just stumbled across the beat on the internet. He liked it, and it reminded him of Lil Uzi, so he decided to rap over it. Mosey cites his first big rap influence as being Meek Mill. Mosey's brother put Meek's Dreams and Nightmares album on his iPod, and that's what initially sparked Mosey's interest in the genre. Mosey's first big single, Pull Up, was released on the Elevator YouTube channel back in December of 2017, and currently has over 14 million views. More recently, Lil Mosey released the single Noticed on the Lyrical Lemonade channel with a video directed by Cole Bennett, and it's sitting at 12 million views at the time of recording this video. Mosey's musical style consists of slurred, slightly auto-tuned vocals and dreamy, often happy-sounding instrumentals. Let's get into the cook-up. I'm going to use these keys from an Omnisphere expansion I got a while ago from Wave Supply. Mosey tends to rap on happy-sounding beats, so we're going to make a happy-sounding chord progression in the key of F major. I'll speed up the footage here to get it out of the way. Okay, the chord progression I came up with is 1, 2, 1, 6. That's F major, G minor, F major, and D minor. Here's what it sounds like. I layered that chord progression with these analog tremolo keys from Omnisphere. I pulled up this pad in Nexus to layer the chord progression one more time. I just want it to sit in the background. Here's what it sounds like. I then added some effects. First off, I put an EQ on it to cut the lows around 200 Hz. Then I slightly boosted around 2 kHz. And I made this gated gross beat preset. And lastly, I added one more EQ to lower the volume overall and boost around 900 Hz. As the last of the melodic elements, I added these bells from Nexus. I laid down this chant. I added some open hats. I made this hat pattern. I laid down this kick. I added a clap. I added some perks. On the first couple bars, I use a rim. On the second, I use a shaker. You can see the ghost notes of the shaker here. And lastly, I laid down this 808 pattern. It just follows the kick. Okay, now it's time to write some lyrics. Lil Mosey's lyrics focus on 1. Sexual relations with other people's girlfriends. 2. He drinks lean. 3. He's a trendsetter or a hitmaker. 4. Flexin'. I'm going to throw the pitcher plugin on my vocals with a medium retune speed. If you want to see how I mix my vocals, I'll link to a tutorial that shows the effects I use and how I apply them in the description section of this video. I'm not attempting to do an impression of Lil Mosey. I'm just trying to emulate his flow and subject matter. With that out of the way, let's see what we've come up with.
Ain't no limit, do it till I get it. Fuck your bitch, then quit it, and I move on when I finish. Yeah, yeah, get the image, fuck up on my business. Lean is what I'm sipping, off the walk until I'm living. Yeah, yeah, all these lames are trying to copy my flow. I'ma fuck your bitch right after my show. I'ma count this paper, trying to stack up this dough. I'ma kick her out as soon as I get this dough.